What's that? Let me see. Oh, nothing. Okay, this time I'm gonna go check it out. Huh? Hmm? Why are you on the floor? I just cleared up last night. Oh, okay. Whoa. What's that? Hmm? Where's this guy on the floor? I just put you up there. How did you get down here? Hmm.